Welcome to Coding Classic. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create increment and decrement button using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Before we begin, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Let's begin. We assume you know how to create your necessary files. Create a div with class name container. Add span for the button. You can use button tag, but I choose to use span tag. I forgot to add JavaScript file, so let's add it. Link your JavaScript file to your CSS. We are done with HTML, let's start styling. Starting from Universal Selector. Then next is styling the body of your project. Next is styling the container div. Next is span located inside the container div. I forgot to add plus and minus sign in our HTML, so let's add it now. We have added it, let's move on. There's an error somewhere. The button doesn't look good. Let's find the problem. I have found the error. Is a typo error. Our project is now looking good. We are done with CSS. Let's add the functionalities using JavaScript. Firstly, let's create constant by selecting the HTML elements with the classes plus, minus, and number. Initialize a variable a to 1, which will be used to track the current number value, and adding a click event listener to the plus button. Add logic that increase the number by 1. Add a click event listener to the minus button. Create logic that decrease the number by 1. Finally, we are done with our project. Please, if you like this video, share and tell us what you think in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.